How did Sergei Korolev influence space exploration? Have you ever wondered how one person could change the course of history in space exploration? Sergei Korolev was that person for the Soviet Union during the Cold War. His work was not just about rockets. It was about proving the strengths of communism in a world divided by ideology. Korolev was the chief architect behind the Soviet Union's space achievements. His influence began with the development of the R-7 rocket. This rocket was the world's first intercontinental ballistic missile. Korolev saw its potential beyond military use. He proposed that it could also launch satellites and even humans into space. Initially, his idea faced skepticism from Soviet leaders. However, they eventually approved his plan. This led to the launch of Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This event marked the Soviet Union's entry into space and showcased the technological capabilities of the communist system. Following the success of Sputnik 1, Korolev's team quickly launched Sputnik 2. This mission carried Laika, the first living creature in space. This achievement highlighted the Soviet Union's advancements in space biology. Under Korolev's leadership, the Soviet space program reached many milestones. One of the most notable was the Luna series of probes. These unmanned spacecraft orbited and landed on the Moon. Another significant achievement was the Vostok program, which sent Yuri Gagarin into space on April 12, 1961. Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth, a monumental moment in the space race. Korolev's work was often conducted in secrecy. The Soviet government understood the strategic importance of space achievements. These accomplishments served as symbols of communist superiority during the Cold War. Korolev's successes were not just technological triumphs. They were also demonstrations of the Soviet system's ability to mobilize resources for national pride. His innovations laid the groundwork for future Soviet and Russian space missions. They influenced satellite technology, human spaceflight, and even interplanetary exploration. Korolev showed how a centralized system could achieve rapid advancements in space technology. This challenged capitalist rivals and sparked global interest in space exploration. From the perspective of communism, Korolev's achievements illustrated the power of collective effort. The state's support and ideological motivation behind his work enabled breakthroughs that changed humanity's reach beyond Earth. His legacy remains a powerful symbol of the Soviet Union's commitment to scientific progress and its role in the space race.